What's good, YouTube? It's your boy EBKicks coming back with just another video. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. As you can see from the title, this is a shoe cleaning video. That's right. I'm going to be showing you how to clean your zebra Yeezys or any white Yeezys that has white in them with EBKicks. And I'll show you a trick too that I have after you clean it with the EBKicks, wipe it down, and then you clean it with another solution plus the EBKicks. So without further ado, let's get into this video.
Shoes. I don't hit the stage unless my tennis shoes new. Out with the old ones and in with the new. I got a
Alright, everybody, as you can see, this one is already clean. I cleaned this one already. I was just waiting for the washer to finish so I can throw this one in. I'm going to go ahead and show you on this shoe how to get it white like this shoe. As you can see the difference. So, let's get into it. First, what you want to do, take you like a suede brush, lint brush, anything, whatever you want to call it. Get all the extra dust and dirt that's on it before you clean the shoe off, because you don't want to just clean the shoe and push the dirt down into the material. These got all dirty like this when I went to Taiwan. I haven't put that video up. I will show y'all my experience in Taiwan, but right now I'm gonna show you this cleaning vid. I ain't did a cleaning vid in a while, so I want to go ahead and show you on the Yeezys again. Get it all off. All right. And then you want to get you a thing of water. It can be hot, it can be cold. It really doesn't matter. We're going to go over it with the sponge, with the solution. Come on there. As you can see, it's already laving because I cleaned that other one. And let's go to it. What you want to do is you want to go in a circular motion. You never want to push dirt back and forth when you're cleaning sneakers. I know I probably did that before, go back and forth trying to get dirt out. But all that's doing is pushing the dirt down into the shoe. So what you want to do is go in a circular motion. And on the midsole, I will be using a hard bristle brush that EBKicks comes with. Grab it, get it a little wet. Go to the other side. It's okay to get the shoe all wet and everything. The material will soak it up. Once you do the second step that I'm going to show you, you put it in the washer, let it wash, then you let it air dry. The shoe will come out so much cleaner, I promise. I like to go over the shoe twice just because I feel like it. I went over it once, it got the first layer of the dirt, and now going over it the second time, it'll help get the rest of it. I can tell y'all about the Taiwan trip. It was amazing. I mean, it was a great experience. Going to go see where my wife is from. I really liked it. We're going back. Don't know when yet, but we will be going back. And I will be taking y'all along with me again. I promise y'all I'm going to put that video up. I just got to finish editing it. And I'll have it up for you. All right. The hard bristle brush. it in the water. And go to town on this midsole. I know a lot of you probably saying the bottom doesn't matter. You just gonna wear them and walk all over and get them dirty again. You're right, but I'm just showing you what you can do. So that was that. 2 cleans with the EB. Now you're gonna go into my second step, and you're gonna get laundry detergent. Preferably get the blue kind because they said blue makes dirt rise, and that's what I'm gonna do. Put a little bit in the cup. Here's that cup. Use cold water. Cold water, everybody. Use cold water. There it is. Take some EB. Put some in there. Take the sponge, rinse that sponge all the way out so it's not just the EB in it. So it can be like a new sponge, or if you have a new sponge or another sponge, go ahead and use it. And as you can see, there's no soap or anything. Go ahead, dab that in that solution, mix it all up. Dab it in there. And like I said, circular motion. This is going to help that white get back whiter than it. Don't forget, you can always hit me up in the comments or go to my Instagram, link down below at Layers of Kicks, and you can order you one of these Layers of Kicks Sneaker Mafia shirts. And with this method, you go over it twice, just like you do when you're cleaning with the regular EBKicks. That towel, wipe it down. Gives it a good smell too, by the way. Don't be afraid that this blue is going to stain your shoe. It won't stain your shoe, I promise. Especially after putting it in a washer. You're going to put a little bit of laundry detergent in your wash and put it on your quick wash. Do not dry your shoes, people. Do not dry them. Let them air dry. I promise they're going to come out very nice. Okay, dip it in there. Go back at it. Y'all haven't did a cleaning video in a while, and I feel good doing this video. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe for your boy EBKicks. Got some stuff coming up you're not gonna want to miss. There we go. Voila. After that step, you go ahead, throw it in the washer. Like I said, put it on quick wash and put a little bit of detergent in it, just a little. Take it out, let it air dry. That's that. So, I'm not gonna hold y'all to wait till this washing machine finish or wait till these shoes finish. I'm just gonna throw up some pictures of before and after the wash and everything. So, like I said, thanks for watching. EBKicks is back. YouTube, go ahead, support your boy. Make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment, and remember, stay on your grind and don't let nobody tell you can't shine. It's your boy EBKicks. I'm signing out.
Subscribe my daddy's page.
Trying to get a praise on. I was trying to dunk, trying to get my J's on. Call my shoe game Grace, cause it's so amazing. Air Max 95, Nike boots, high top.